Welcome to Foxtecc. If you're trying to put your Apple Watch on Do Not Disturb, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Let's get started. First, press the side button on your Apple Watch to open the control center. Look for the moon icon, which represents Do Not Disturb, and tap on it. This doesn't just turn on Do Not Disturb. You'll also see options for other focus modes that you have set up, so you can choose the one that fits your situation. When you tap Do Not Disturb, you'll get a few choices. On for 1 hour, until this evening, or until I leave. These options let you customize how long you want the mode to stay active. If you just need a quick break from notifications, the time-based options are really useful, since they automatically turn Do Not Disturb off when the time is up. For more control, you can manage these settings on your iPhone. Open the Settings app, go to Focus, and customize different focus modes and their settings. If you want your Apple Watch to automatically follow your iPhone's focus settings, open the Watch app on your iPhone, go to General, tap Focus, and make sure Mirror My iPhone is enabled. This way, whenever you activate Do Not Disturb on your iPhone, your watch will follow along. When you're ready to turn off Do Not Disturb, just tap the moon icon again in Control Center, and notifications will start coming through as normal. That's it. Now you know how to put your Apple Watch on Do Not Disturb and manage focus settings across your devices. Let me know in the comments if this was helpful. And if you found this useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Foxtecc for more. See you later.